Welcome back to Body Sculpt, your ultimate guide to a healthy lifestyle. Today, we're diving into the world of vegan weight loss, an approach that has gained tremendous popularity in recent years. Hi there, I'm your name, and I'm thrilled to be your guide on this journey to achieving your weight loss goals through a vegan lifestyle. Now, you might be wondering, what exactly is vegan weight loss? Vegan weight loss involves adopting a plant-based diet that excludes all animal products, including meat, dairy, eggs, and even honey. Instead, you focus on nourishing your body with whole, natural foods that are derived from plants. So, why choose veganism for weight loss? Well, let me break it down for you. Firstly, a vegan diet is typically rich in fiber, which keeps you feeling fuller for longer, reducing the urge to overeat or snack on unhealthy foods. This increased fiber intake aids in maintaining a healthy weight. Secondly, by eliminating animal products, you automatically reduce your intake of saturated fats and cholesterol. This change can have a positive impact on heart health and lower the risk of various chronic diseases. Now, let's talk about practical strategies for vegan weight loss. Remember, it's all about balance and nourishment. Firstly, focus on incorporating a variety of whole grains, such as quinoa, brown rice, and whole wheat bread, into your meals. These provide essential nutrients and help regulate blood sugar levels, making you feel more satisfied throughout the day. Next, let's talk about protein. Contrary to popular belief, plant-based sources offer an abundance of protein. Incorporate legumes like lentils, chickpeas, and black beans, as well as tofu, tempeh, and edamame into your diet. These plant proteins will fuel your body, aid in muscle repair, and promote a healthy metabolism. Another crucial aspect is consuming a rainbow of fruits and vegetables. These nutrient-dense powerhouses provide essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, supporting your overall health and well-being. It's also essential to include healthy fats in your vegan weight loss journey. Opt for sources like avocados, nuts, seeds, and olive oil. These fats not only provide satiety but also promote brain health and aid in the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins. Of course, weight loss is not just about the food we eat. Regular physical activity is equally important. Engage in activities that you enjoy, such as brisk walking, jogging, cycling, or even dance classes. Find something that keeps you motivated and helps you burn calories while having fun. Lastly, remember that vegan weight loss is not about deprivation but rather about exploring new flavors and exciting culinary possibilities. Experiment with creative plant-based recipes, try new spices and herbs, and embrace the joy of cooking with fresh, vibrant ingredients. By making food an adventure, you'll find sustainable pleasure in your vegan weight loss journey. And that wraps up our guide to vegan weight loss. Remember, it's about nourishing your body, caring for the planet, and embracing a compassionate lifestyle. Thanks for joining us on Body Sculpt. Until next time, stay healthy, stay active, and keep sculpting your best self.